In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a database in Notion. Sorting helps you quickly see exactly what matters, whether that's names A to Z, upcoming dates, or tasks by status, so your workspace feels tidy and purposeful. Start by opening the database you want to organize. This could be a table, board, list, gallery, timeline, or calendar. Sorting happens at the view level, so the changes you make will apply to the view you're currently looking at. Look toward the toolbar that sits just above the database. You'll see controls for the view, and among them is the Sort button. Click it to open the sorting panel. Choose Add a Sort. Notion will prompt you to select a property. Pick the property that best matches how you want your information lined up. Maybe name for alphabetical order, due date to see what's coming up, or status to cluster work by its stage. Next, choose ascending or descending. For text, ascending runs A to Z. For numbers, it's low to high. And for dates, earliest to latest. Descending is the reverse, Z to A, high to low, or latest to earliest. If you're sorting by a select or status property, Notion follows the order defined in that property's settings, and descending flips that order. As soon as you confirm, the database reorders itself automatically. Take a moment to scan the new layout and make sure it matches your intent. If something looks off, simply switch the direction or pick a different property until it does what you need. If your dataset is more complex, add additional sorting rules. For example, you might sort first by status, so active work rises to the top. Then add another sort by due date to arrange items within each status. Notion evaluates sorts from top to bottom, so the first rule has the highest priority, the second resolves any ties, and so on. You can rearrange priorities at any time by dragging the sort rules up or down in the panel. This is a quick way to experiment with which rule should take the lead without recreating anything. Keep adjusting the sorting settings until the layout fits your workflow. Remember, sorting doesn't change your data. It only changes how it's presented in this view. And your choices are saved with the view, so you'll return to the same organized look next time. That's all you need to bring clarity and momentum to any Notion database.